And then the test result came in.
Live like a
Jennings
sidewalk.
failed the polygraph. Now Detective Longshore wanted one more crack at it, alone.
I think that you saw the pulse, and I think that you saw the hand twitching. And the reason you saw all that is because you were there. Why should I believe you, Rick?
I couldn't hear him.
And the reason you
And then the test result came in. Jennings failed the polygraph. Now Detective Longshore wanted one more crack at it, alone.
I think that you saw the
You're so
and I think
cute.
that you saw the hand twitching. And the reason you saw all that is because you were there. Why should I believe you, Rick? What doesn't fit with my scenario? Everything fits. You told me. I'm telling you. This is what happened. Yeah, I need to know why it happened. You're the murderer. I need to know why. I want you to do two things, Rick. I want you to show me where I'm wrong. I want you to be a man and tell me what happened. Okay? I don't think that you were a killer.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's so funny watching her gum it.
Something went happened that night. Something went wrong, right?
Jennings insisted over and over again that he did not do it. The killer was not him.
We kept him for about 9 hours. And it got to the point where, although we had given him breaks, I didn't want to jeopardize the information that I had gotten because he was there voluntarily.
After that long day of questioning, Raymond Lee Jennings, the man who seemed to know too much, was now officially a suspect in the murder of Michelle O'Keefe. But Jennings wasn't arrested.
I mean, they looked at the guy in the security guard. Did they not feel that he was responsible?
If I asked him to take a vote because of evidence.
And without something